The Rockville Rock Zone 8 amplifier delivers an impressive 1,000 watts of root mean square power across 8 channels, ensuring a robust and clear sound experience for diverse environments like homes, restaurants, or offices. With its flexible zone control, this amplifier offers 8 independent zones, each equipped with individual volume, mono or stereo selector, and equalizer adjustments, allowing for a fully customized audio experience in every room or area. The amplifier excels in versatile connectivity by featuring built-in Bluetooth, multiple RCA inputs, optical and coaxial options, USB playback capabilities for up to 32 gigabytes, FM radio with presets, and a microphone input for zone-wide output. It provides expansion and recording options with RCA subwoofer output, record output, and banana or bare wire terminals, making it compatible with powered subwoofers, additional amplifiers, or recording devices. Designed with installation in mind, the Rock Zone 8 is rack-mountable with removable brackets, has a compact build, and offers switchable voltage between 115 volts and 230 volts for global use. Despite its powerful features, the amplifier maintains a manageable weight of approximately 23 pounds, making it a practical choice for both home and commercial audio setups.